स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manual. In today's video, we'll talk about one of the top institute which accept your Maharashtra MCA CET scores, and that is nothing but the VSIT. That means the Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Technology, one of the top institute in the Maharashtra and most preferred one in Mumbai. So guys, stay tuned with me to get each and every detail about it. So the very first one, guys, to get each and every detail about the MCA programs, latest notifications and all the updates, get all the preparation strategies. So follow us on Facebook, on Insta, and for the preparation you can join our online program. So visit at manualedu.com/MCA entrance, or for live classes you can call our board line number, that is 8828581455. So let's come to our main point, that is VSIT, the Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Technology, which is located at Chembur nearby the Kurla railway station in Mumbai. So the Vivekananda Education Society, it is founded in 1959 by Shri Harshu Advani, and further the Institute of Technology, which is termed as VSIT, established in 1984, where it has the aim of providing the professional education in the field of engineering. So very first one, it is started with the engineering program, and further it added the various courses, and today it is the top institute even with your MCA program and even with your engineering programs. So institute is a well known and well recognized by its facilities, by its infrastructure and its scholarship schemes. So it provides the scholarship schemes such as the Student Aid Scholarship, the Vivekananda Jyoti Scholarship, Geeta Israni Foundation Scholarship, and scholarship by Narottam Seksaria Foundation. So guys, in this scholarship there are some rules and regulations. So you have to score more than grade 7 and your family income should be less than 1 lakh or 3 lakh. So it has certain rules and regulations. You can get all the details on the official website. So the institute is affiliated to the University of Mumbai and it is approved by AICTE. That is nothing but the All India Council for Technical Education. So we are talking about the Master of Computer Application, that is MCA program. So it is basically started from the 2003, and for this program it has the 120 seat intake. So it is a very unique one program if we consider its curriculum and all the facilities student can avail in this institute. So it has the great library facilities, the labs for equipments, the classrooms, the hostel facilities are there. In the hostels there are indoor sports and outdoor sports facilities. The campus connected with all the modern facilities which are utmost required into the computer application program. So guys, in one word we can say that if you want to do the master in computer application, then your target should be the VSIT, because it always stands in top 5 institutes in Maharashtra. And to enter into this institute there are some criterias. So the very first one, you have to give the Maharashtra MCA CET, right? That means it is the approved institute and all the admission process are carried out through cap round process. So even the institute is reserved for the Sindhi minority category. So it has the 51% seats reserved for the Sindhi linguistic minority candidates and the 49% for all candidates through cap round process. That means the minority candidates also take part in the cap round, but the institute has 51% reservation there, and 49% for all candidates belonging to Maharashtra state and even the other than Maharashtra state. As it is stand in the rank list of top 5 institutes, so you must score 115 plus marks to enter into this institute. So guys, it is not tough that you can't score the 115 plus marks out of the 200. Always aim high, target 130 plus marks. So definitely you can reach at 115 plus marks. So how to get these marks? If you need the proper resources for that and even the strategies, then you can watch our video on the YouTube, or you can also enroll for our online programs. So that will provide some energy for your preparations. So guys, if you talk about the career scope and the placement regarding the VSIT, then friends, it has a very dedicated placement cell known as training and placement cell. So it carried out 2 tasks. The first one, the pre-placement talk, which is known as the PPT, and the second one, it carried out the aptitude test. So once you've gone through these 2 process, then there is a further criteria which is known as a dream job and non-dream job. So you can enroll for one dream job and one non-dream job. That means the companies which are providing more than 5 to 6 lakh package are comes under the category of dream job, and which are providing less than this number are come under the non-dream job. And friends, in VSIT there is a benefit regarding the placement, and that is nothing but your internship. So you will be placed for 6 months for your internship in any of the companies, where some of the companies like Nomura, the General Mills, BNP Paribas, Chrysler and the Dark Horse Digital, these provide the internship to the students, and even these all internship are converted into the permanent jobs. So guys, in VSIT you can 100% convert your intern into your job, where these all companies providing around 15 to 35,000 stipend per month. And if we talk about the packages, then here I listed some past data regarding the annual CTC. So the highest package you can get, that is nothing but the 12 to 14 lakh per annum. The average stand at 6.5 lakh per annum and the lowest at 4 lakh per annum. Yet the 2020 reports to come, so definitely you will get more than these numbers. Here I listed some of the past recruiters such as the Accenture, Nomura, Deloitte, Book My Show, Morgan Stanley, Infosys, Chrysler, the TCS, Cognizant, Capgemini. So guys, these all are the top-notch companies. So friends, overall, if we talk about the VSIT, then it works on only one vision, and that is to train and nurture the students to become a successful technocrats. So guys, this is all about the VSIT. If you wanna prepare for 2021 and even for the 22 program, then you can enroll for the online programs such as the books, mock tests, sectional, full course. Even you interact live with us. So call on 8828581455 or you can visit at manvaedu.com/mcentrance. If you want a classroom preparation, then you can join at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So guys, thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.